Are you being annoyed by the Lib-files module DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. As we prepare to resolve Lib-files module, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Lib-files module, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary non-standard porting layers, like early versions of emulation tools, to bridge system file calls. Because it shares a name with OS structures, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the parent porting tool will fail to initialize any system calls, reporting a binary execution failure. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because Lib-files module DLL is tied to the Localized application resource manifest runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Lib-files module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Installing an unverified version of Lib-files module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Lib-files module management. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Lib-files module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.